Selena, Class 10, Chapter 22, Heights and Distances. Number 9. At a particular time, when sun's altitude is 30 degree, the length of the shadow of a vertical tower is 45 meters. Length of the shadow is 45 meters. Calculate the length of the tower. Let length of the tower be h meter. Theta 30 degree, therefore tan 30 h upon 45. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 equal to h upon 45. H equal to 25.98 meters. The length of the tower is 25.98 meters. Second part, the length of the shadow of the same tower when the sun's altitude is A 45 degree, B 60 degree. Let the length of the shadow be x meter. When theta is 45 degree, tan 45 equal to 25.98 upon x. Tan 45 equal to 1 equal to 25.98 upon x implies x equal to 25.98. Hence, the length of the shadow is 25.98 meters. B. When theta is 60 degree, tan 60 equal to 25.98 upon x. Tan 60 is root 3 equal to 25.98 upon x. X equal to 25.98 upon root 3 equal to 15 meters. The length of the shadow is 15 meters. Sum number 10. Two vertical poles on either side of the road. A 30-meter long ladder is placed between the two poles. When the ladder rests against one pole, it makes an angle of 30 degree 24 minutes with the pole, and when it turns rest against the another pole, it makes angle of 30 degree 24 minutes with the road. Calculate the width of the road. Let AB be the ladder and BAP, angle BAP equal to 30 degree 24 minutes. Therefore, sine 30 degree 24 minutes equal to BP upon AB. Sine 32 degree 24 minutes is 0.536. Therefore, AB is 30. Therefore, BP equal to 30 into 0.536 equal to 16.08. When rotated, let the ladder be BC and angle CBQ equal to 32 degree 24 minutes. Therefore, cos 32 degree 24 minutes equal to BQ upon BC. Therefore, BQ equal to 30 into 0.844 equal to 25.32. BQ is 25.32 and BP is 16.08. Therefore, the width of the road is equals to 16.08 plus 25.32 equal to 41.4 meters. Sum number 11. Two climbers are at point A and B on a vertical cliff face. To an observer C, 40 minutes from the foot of the cliff on the level ground, A is at an elevation of 48 degree, B is an elevation of 57 degree. Find the distance between the climbers. Let P be the foot of the cliff on the level ground. Therefore, angle ACP equal to 48 degree and angle BCP equal to 57 degree. Therefore, BP equal to BP upon PC is equals to tan 57 degree. Therefore, BP is equals to 40 into tan 57 degree equal to 1.539. 40 into 1.539 equal to 61.57 meters. Also, AP upon PC equal to tan 48 degree. Therefore AP equal to PC is 40 into tan 48 degree is 1.110. 40 into 1.110 equal to 44.4 meters. Hence the distance between the climber AB is equals to BP minus AP equal to 17.17 meters. Sum number 12. A man stands 9 meters away from the flag pole. He observes that an angle of elevation to the top of the pole is 28 meter and angle of depression to the bottom of the pole is 13 degree. Calculate the height of the pole. Let AB be the man and PQ be the flagpole. AR equal to 9 meters. Therefore, angle PAR equal to 28 degree and angle QAR equal to 13 degree. Okay. Therefore, PR upon AR equal to 1028 degree. 1028. Therefore, PR is equals to 9 into 1028 is 0.532 equal to 4.788 meters. Also, RQ upon AR is equals to 1013 degree. RQ equal to 9 into 1013 degree 0.231. 9 into 0.231 is equals to 2.079 meters. Therefore, height of the pole is equal to PR plus RQ, which is equal to 6.867 meters. Sum number 13. From the top of the cliff of 92 meter high, the angle of depression of the buoy is 20 degree. Calculate the nearest to the nearest meter the distance of the buoy from the foot of the cliff. Let AB be the cliff and C be the buoy. Therefore, AB equal to 92 meters and angle ACB equal to 20 degree. Therefore, AB upon BC equal to 1020 degree. Implies BC equal to 92 upon 0.3640 equal to 252.7 meter, approximately equal to 253 meter. Hence, the buoy is at a distance of 253 meter from the foot of the cliff.